Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Internet is a collection of connected networks around the globe that share a common address scheme. The Internet began in 1962 as part of work for a computer network for the U.S. military and over time has grown into a global communication tool. By design, the Internet is decentralized. Each computer on the Internet is independent of each other. The operators of these computers can choose which Internet services to use and which local services to make available to the Internet community. There are a variety of ways to access the Internet. Most gain access through a commercial Internet service provider, or ISP. The World Wide Web is one part of the Internet and the one with which most people are familiar. The World Wide Web is a collection of connected computers that store documents known as web pages. A collection of web pages for one topic, person, or company is called a website. Web pages can contain images, animations, interactive forms, games, links, also called hyperlinks, that can take you to other sites or web pages, and programming scripts that let you enter, store, and manipulate data and information from a remote location. Most often, to open a new web page on the World Wide Web, you click some form of a hyperlink when using a type of software, generally referred to as a web browser, to open the web page referred to by the hyperlink. Hyperlinks are often text descriptions that appear in a different font style and color than most of the informative text on a web page. Quite often, hyperlinks appear as blue underlined text. However, you can create a link for almost any text or image in a web page. When you click a hyperlink, you invoke the URL address stored within the hyperlink. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. This URL address shows where the web page to view is located on the World Wide Web. So when you click a hyperlink, the associated URL address is interpreted by the web browser and used to take you to the web page designated by that URL address. The web page then displays itself in the web browser like Microsoft Edge. This process of moving to interrelated websites is known as web browsing. You use a web browser to view these different pages. A web browser translates the programming language used to write the web page, like HTML, XHTML, or DHTML, into the displayed information you see on the web browser's screen. HTML and its related languages are the interactive document languages used to create web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML documents support what is called HTTPS protocol, or Hypertext Transport Protocol Secure, to make secure linking and viewing of multiple web pages possible. Unlike the older unsecured HTTP protocol, which means Hypertext Transport Protocol, HTTPS protocol secures digital communications using TLS, which stands for Transport Layer Security. As such, this transport protocol is also often called HTTP over TLS.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.